Yo, B, they ready. Let's go.
Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on some hair from Elfinhair. So this is an HD lace. You guys will see throughout the video like how much this lace like just blends in perfectly with your skin. Like shit is on point. It's crazy. But yeah, y'all, so I filmed this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know some things you guys want to see me try, and if you guys are interested in this look, then keep on watching. Bye.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys this HD lace that I received from Elfinhair. Shout out to Elfinhair for sponsoring this video and this bomb affordable hair. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing, I did already bleach the knots and make the hair into a custom unit. So this is a frontal and bundles unit that I created. I'm now going ahead and taking my foundation powder and I'm just putting that along the lace. As you guys can see, it made the lace blend in way more. Even though it already has like a perfect blend because the lace is an HD lace, it blends in even better with the foundation powder. So I'm just trying it on my head, making sure everything fits nice. I did flatten out my middle part to define it some more. I'm going to go ahead and begin to cut off the ear pieces first. And then I'm going to cut off the lace and begin to apply the lace. I'm just trying on everything, making sure everything fits good. So I went ahead and cut off the lace. I'm now going to be using 2 layers of my glue, and usually I split it up in 3 parts, but today I'm kind of in a bit of a rush, so I'm gonna just do 1 whole layer instead of setting it up in 3 sections. And I'm going to be doing 2 rounds of this lace glue, and as you guys can see, the glue is starting to clear. When the glue turns fully clear, that is when I go ahead and apply the lace. So now that the glue is fully clear, I'm going to go ahead and apply my 2 coats. I'm just making sure there's no pieces of hair that's stuck to the glue and my cap. So now, as you guys can see, as soon as I touch this lace down, it just blends in perfectly. The blending is crazy perfect. It just looks absolutely flawless. I'm just going in and I'm slightly tapping it. I'm not going too hard. I'm just lightly tapping the lace into the glue. So now I'm just pulling back areas and I'm just going over any areas that isn't hit with any glue and the lace might be lifting up. Guys, make sure that your full perimeter of your lace is fully glued down, just to avoid having any lifted up pieces. Once you do your baby hairs and the glue isn't fully melted, it will lift up and look crazy. So now I'm going to take my wax stick, and this wax stick is from Care. I just waxed the middle part of my hair and I'm just slicking it down with my hot comb, and I'm just pressing out everything, making sure everything is fully slicked down. I'm going in with my comb and just getting all that together. I'm now going to be taking some concealer and I'm concealing my part. My part did look a bit crooked, and that's just because I did dye the hair and some of the dye did get on the lace, so I had to go in with some liquid concealer and do that. So now I'm going to be taking my She's Bomb Collection Bomb Glue, and I just slicked the 2 middle parts of my hair. I'm going to be taking my razor and I'm basically going to be doing the same routine that I would always basically do for my baby hairs. If you guys want like a full dedicated video on my baby hairs, I'm going to have some listed down below, so you guys can really see and understand how I go about it. For the meantime, I'm just going to fast forward through this part because I've done this part in numerous videos. So now that I'm just about finished with my baby hairs, I'm going to be taking my BTC heat protection spray, and I like to spray that along my baby hairs. This just makes my baby hairs not cracky or dry. So when I did make the wig, I did flatten it in advance. So now I'm not really going to be doing any flattening. I'm just going to be hot combing everything. I'm going to keep hot combing the hair until it's basically as flat as possible. And as you guys can see, y'all, this lace is melted. I'm so in love with this lace. So this is how it looks, guys. Be sure to check out Elfinhair. I'll have all the information listed down below so you guys can see their hair, try it out, try out their HD laces. These hair is bomb quality, and it is very, very thick and full. It's me with this little model look that I'm doing, like, y'all. Also, I am wearing 30 inches, so I'm going to get up and stand up just so you guys can see where this hair falls. It literally goes past my butt.
Alright, y'all, so this was the end of this tutorial. I am like really feeling this hair. I did spend a lot of time on this hair because I did end up dyeing it jet black with some Revlon box dyes. So I have washed it already, and this lace is really crazy. Like, it's like I'm gonna come right here so you guys can look at this part, and I'm gonna show you with my comb. Let me let the camera focus. Comb, come on, focus. This is the lace right here, but you cannot see it. Like, literally once it hit glue, like it already disappeared. Like, it was already like blended in perfectly with my skin, but once that baby hit glue, it just like vanished. Like, this is more like by far like the best frontal I came across. Like, I've done a review for. Like, this hair is everything. Like, this is everything. And I am wearing 3 bundles of 30 inches. No, it's, yeah, 3 bundles of 30 inch and 1 28-inch bundle. I did make it into a wig, so yeah, comment down below if you guys want me to do a wig tutorial. Let me know. But y'all, I'm feeling this hair. Like, y'all gonna ask me to sell this wig, and as of right now, I can't. Like, I'm too in love. The hair is too nice. Anyways, y'all, that was it for the tutorial. I'm gonna have everything listed in the description box. You guys can check out Elfinhair and try out their hair. I'll have everything listed down below, the links to this hair and everything like that. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.